Students join classes 2025-26 batch. NEET and JEE crash course fees 10,000 only. Class starts from 26th March. Crash course physics online fees 5,000 only. And a repeaters course for NEET and JEE fees 25,000. Classes begins from 5th May. And a repeaters physics online class fees 10,000 only. CBSE Max Tuition with JEE Foundation class available. Both offline and online classes available. Fees 10,000 only. Our institute address. Our JEE previous year results. Our NEET previous year results. We take online and offline classes for all the classes and repeaters.